Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom list in Microsoft Excel. Before we get into the video, if you could do me a favor and please click on the subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos on Microsoft Excel, just come over here to How Do I, click on it, come over to my playlist here. As you can see, I've got one video here. I plan on uploading about 100 videos. So again, thanks for subscribing to the channel and let's get into the video. So in order to create a custom list in Microsoft Excel, first thing you want to do is open up a blank template or a workbook, whichever you choose. And let's just select a random cell, and we selected E9 here. Okay, so 9 in column E. And as you can see, it says food. So we're going to do this based on food. So select food. So the way I got a title in here was I came over here to data validation and I clicked on input message, because what I'm looking at doing is having a group of school students to select their lunch for a special event that we're having. We're going to be serving hot dogs, hamburgers, fries, etc. So here I put in the title food, and then I wrote an input message to select food, please. Okay, so here I'm going to actually type in food. And as you can see, as I click on that cell and I send this to them, they'll highlight here and it'll say select food, please. Okay, the next part, to do the drop down list, let's just delete this. We're going to come over to sheet 2. And as you can see, I have a list of items that I'm going to be serving for lunch for the kids. So pizza, wings, fries, hot dog, hamburgers. Okay, so now let's go back to sheet 1. So if you first want to type those out, okay, and then you come back to sheet 1, and you want to highlight the cell where you want the drop-down list in Excel. You come over here to data validation, and you want to go to settings, and the validation criteria underneath allow, we're going to select list. Okay, now we're going to select the source. We're just going to move this over. Okay, so we selected source. Now we're going to go to sheet 2. So as you can see, it's going to select sheet 2. We're going to left click. While holding the left click button, you're continuing to hold the left click button down. You're just going to drag to the last part and you're going to enter. And you can see that it's on sheet 2 from rows G19 to G23, and we're going to click OK. And then now we're going to go back to sheet 2, and you can see that the food, it says please select food. The drop down list, pizza, wings, fries, hot dog, hamburger, and I'm going to select hamburger. And that's it. Now let's say you wanted to hide this sheet here. You can just come over here, highlight it, left click it, right click on it, and click on hide. Now you're not going to see it. You're going to see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If you wanted sheet 2 back to create another column, you can do this. Just come over to sheet 3, right click on it, and you want to click unhide and unhide sheet 2. And there you go. So you have sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 2. Now let's say you wanted to move sheet 2 over. Just click over here and just drag it, and it's going to be in order. So that's how you create a custom list in Microsoft Excel, and let's get into the next tutorial in Microsoft Excel.